The next video I'm going to share with you is how to finish this Student Standard 1 problem. So we just calculated that Casey's discount in a number of different ways was $14.70. So we have this part of question A done. The next part we have to do is what will her new total be with her employee discount. A couple ways you can do this. Knowing her discount, knowing the total, you could simply subtract. So again, you could simply subtract. So if you have $42 and subtract the discount, you could get the employee price. So if we subtract here, I have to regroup. 10 minus 7 is 3. I have to regroup again. 11 minus 4 is 7. And then that would be $27.30. So $27.30. That would be one way to solve the problem. Another way, because we have the power of our calculator, is to think, well, we have 100% is what the total is, minus the 35% discount means that the new price is going to be 65% of the whole thing. So we ask ourselves, what's 42 times 65% or 6,500 hundredths? 65% of $42, and then that would also equal $27.30. So a couple different ways that you could calculate the discounted total. So then if we want to take this to 1B, or we want to calculate the sales tax, and it's 8%, how much tax would Casey pay on her discounted total? Discounted total is $27.30. The sales tax 8%. We can multiply $27.30 by 800ths, and that product equals $2.18. I think there are other ways to solve it, but that's probably the most efficient way when we have the ability to use our calculator. Obviously, you could set a proportion, you could take partial percents, but this would probably be the most efficient way. The last problem on Student Standard 1, Jared paid 40% of his new video game. The rest, video game was $28.99. How much did Jared pay, and how much did his parents pay for the game? So knowing that it's 40%, to figure out how much Jared paid, we could take 40%, which is equal to 4/10, and we can take 4/10 and multiply that by $28.99, and that product equals $11.596 of a dollar, which you could round up to $11.60. Now, you could do the same thing using partial percents again. So 10% would be 2 and 899 thousandths. Move that decimal point one spot to the left. Right, moving one spot to the left, it would be 2 and 899 thousandths. So then you'd have 4 of those. And you could add those together. Now in this case, I would round the 2 and 899 thousandths, since we're dealing with money, up to $2.90. If you multiply that by 4, it would be $11.60. So if I wanted to figure out how much his parents paid, I could do that in a couple ways again. I could take my $28.99 and subtract it by $11.60, and that difference would be $17.39. Or again, I could take $28.99, think to myself, well, if Jared was paying for 40%, his parents would have to pay for 60%, and that would also equal $17.39 after you rounded. That would be 17 and 394 thousandths of a dollar, but then you could round down to $17.39. All right, so that was a little review on figuring out some percent problems. Thanks for watching. Hope you did a great job preparing for your celebration and are ready to go.